Hello, welcome back to Word of Mouth. Today I'm turning these ingredients into orange chicken. The first thing I'm going to do is cut this chicken into about 1 to 2 centimeter cubes. So 1.5 cups of flour, half a cup of cornstarch, half a tablespoon of salt, half a teaspoon of white pepper, and whisk that all together so that they are well mixed. Next is add the egg, one tablespoon of oil, that's half a tablespoon, and that's 1 tablespoon of oil, and then starting with 3/4 cups of water, add to the mixture until it has the consistency of pancake batter. So we're going to keep adding water until this is like pancake batter. So this is good enough. Next is to add your chicken to this batter. Mix that all up. And we're going to refrigerate this for at least 30 minutes. Okay. The next thing we want to do is to make the sauce, and to do that we need to grate some ginger, about half a teaspoon. You can either mince or grate your garlic. I'm going to grate mine, about a tablespoon. And we're going to need some orange juice, some vinegar, some sugar, normal sugar and brown sugar, some crushed red chili peppers, and some cooking oil and soy sauce. So in a tablespoon of oil I'm going to add the ginger and garlic and the chili flakes, 1/4 teaspoon of chili flakes. Mix that all up. Just for 30 seconds, and then we're going to add the sugar, the 2 sugars, mix that all up. So it's all combined. Next thing is to add the orange juice. Till it's all dissolved. Make sure nothing is sticking to the bottom of the pan. Next we're going to add the vinegar and the soy sauce. And lastly, the cornstarch and water mix. Going to cook that until it is of syrupy texture. Another 2 tablespoons of oil. And we're going to fry the chicken until it's golden brown. Drain off any excess. Going to drain off any excess fat. Next is to put the chicken in the sauce and mix it all up.